Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's learn another wonderful, beautiful, elegant style with Akara fabric. In fact, Akara fabric is going places. Yes. Alright, so what you see on my hand is just Akara fabric and it is 2 years and some inches, but then 2 years can still do this particular head wrap style. So I want to cover the back. In case if you want to cover the back, this is exactly what you're going to do. If you don't want to cover the back, you can watch my last video. It's almost the same process, but this one I cover the back, while the last video I did not cover the back. All right, so pleating it and then taking it to the back this way. The division is 50-50. All right, so holding it like this, we are going to do simple crossing here. Just pay attention, it is not difficult, you will learn it. All right, so crossing it like this, then I want to fold this white tip inside, but if you love it you can still go ahead and leave it. At times in some head wrap, those white tips in Akara fabric will give it a kind of beautiful vibes, you understand. So folding those white tips inside now, I just cross it, twisted it. The one that is on the right comes to the left, the one that is on the left comes to the right. All right, so in my former video, this side now I twisted it like this and tuck it in. All right, but now I am not twisting it. I want to do what? I want to plait it. So the choice is yours. With it you can create so many styles that you want. All right, so pay good attention on what I am doing now. The head wrap is not difficult, I bet you, if only you are focused. All right, so you see what I'm doing now. I started taking my pleats. I started taking the pleats. I will take the pleats until I exhaust everything I have on that part. All right, so please, if actually you are interested in learning, just be patient. All right, some head wrap is not just 1 minute head wrap. All right, so this exactly is not 1 minute head wrap. It's something that will take you like 2-3 minutes before you can actually create what you want. All right, so continue plating until I exhaust what I have there. Now, taking it to the back this way, I will tuck it in at that back. It might be difficult, but try to push it in. All right, try to push it in. Make sure you push it in very, very well so that the base of the head wrap will be very, very firm. Okay, so pushing everything in now. As I'm doing it, okay, you can see I have successfully, yes, put everything in. All right, so coming to the front now, I'll arrange it though. After all the time you are still coming to arrange it. So arrange my plate. It might not actually be perfect, but at least it will give you some height. So working on this handle now, watch closely what I'm going to do here now. You know, it is 2 yards of fabric, so it is really, really very wide. So I folded it into two. I fold it into the two this way. If you don't want your bow, because I'm going to use this side now to form a bow, you can as well fold it into four like this. All right, but I'm folding it into two, just two. So folding it into two like this, then I just divide it. Put your hand in the middle like this and just divide it to the end. You see, like this, just divide it to the end. You're not pleating, you just put your hand in the middle and press it down, or put your hand in the middle and do as if you're pleating it. Take it down, then you pick your your rubber band and fasten it together in the middle, thereby dividing that part into two. All right, so into two like this. Make sure it is very, very tight. You can go again until you get the firmness that you want. I actually tie it 2 times so that it will be very, very firm. So thank you so much if you have watched up to this point. The person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. All right, so let's continue. So now I'm beginning to create the bow. You can see, just fold it inside. The excess is up and by the side, fold it inside and you're creating your bow. You can see the bow is getting ready. So pick up your office pin and hold the excesses that you fold down from the back, pin it. Then continue. Watch closely what I am doing right now. So this other side now, you see, I fold it inside, thereby creating the bow. If you want the bow to be smaller, you can keep folding, folding, folding until you get the size that you want. All right, so I pin that side too. You can see one side of the bow is ready. So what I did here now is exactly what I am going to do to this other side now. You see, I fold it. You can see the bow is beginning to take shape, it's beginning to form. All right, so picking off his pin now, I also fasten it from the back. You can see the bow is getting ready, ready, ready. All right, so now pin it and you continue to adjust. All right, so this tip now I'm going to fold it inside as well. All right, so you keep creating. Anywhere that you feel that is loose, just pick your pin, fold it inside and you pin it from the back. You can see the bow is already outstanding. So watch closely what I am going to do next. So raising this part up now, taking it to the back, I attach it to that part that I pleated. Watch closely, I attach it to that part that I pleated. Pay good attention, you will see the style is easy but elegant, I bet you. Beautiful head wrap. Okay, so this side now I raise it up, taking the tip and pin it to the base of the head wrap. You see where my hand is now, picking up his pin and pin it there, thereby making the bow to stand. You can see this is beautiful, elegant head wrap that you can use for any occasion. Call it wedding, traditional wedding, call it bridal head wrap. I bet you it is beautiful, it is suitable. All right, so now let's close the back. Okay, so bringing all the excesses, drag them up, all the excesses, you drag it up, then pick your office pin and pin it. Come to the front, arrange your bow very well. Okay, so drag the excesses now, drag all the excesses up, then use your office pin to pin it. Your head wrap is ready. You can see the head wrap is ready. You see, that is what the back look like. So that is the back now. See it to the front now. You pick your what's it called, your accessory, your hair accessory, and cover that rubber band. You can go like this. Okay, it is beautiful, but if you don't want, you can use your hair accessories this way and cover that rubber band. Arrange your bow very well, arrange the size, you are good to go. So beautiful and elegant, you can see it. So as I rightly said before, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So please do well to drop your like, drop your comment, share my videos to your friends and family if actually you're benefiting from this video. Please share it, let others also benefit from it. All right, so you can see we are good to go, good to go. All right, dancing time, picture times, and all that and all that. I welcome you all, my new subscribers, the old ones. You're beautiful. So you can create another style. You can decide to close it this way. Just pick office pin, drag the two edges together, Use your office pin and pin it. Another beautiful style is ready, ready, ready. So I love you all my subscriber. Kudos to you all of you that has been viewing me and sharing my videos and dropping your comments and likes. I love you so much. And all of you that is viewing without dropping your comments, I love you so much. So please do what to subscribe to my channel. Help me to stay tuned. I am begging you, alright? If actually you love what I am doing, please subscribe so that anytime I drop my video, you'll be able to get it. Yes, alright. So that is it. You can see how beautiful it is. We are ready to rock the occasion, not with regular ones all the time, but beautifully crafted. See you in my next video.